Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how to attempt profit and loss questions in examination. Let's start with question number 1. An umbrella was sold at a profit of 20%. What is the selling price of umbrella if its cost price is 180? Cost price is 180 plus profit is 20%. So 20% of 180. 180 plus 20% of 180. 20%. Percent is denominator 2 zeros and numerator 2 zeros cancel. Numerator 2 zeros, percent, denominator 2 zeros is cancel. 18 into 2, 36. 180 plus 36, 216. Option A. Or selling price equal to 260. Or cost price is 180. 100% equal to 180. 0, 0 cancel. 10% is equal to 18. 0.8. 1% equal to 1.8. 100% plus 20%. 120%. 120% selling price. 20% profit means 120% selling price equal to question mark. Left side into 120 and right side also into 120. 1 into 120, 120% equal to 120 into 1.8. 1.8. 18 zeros, zeros. 18 into 2 times 36. 6, 3 carry. 18 into 1, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. Point, decimal point. 216. 120% equal to 216. Question number 2. An article was sold for 13,000 at a loss of 35%. What is the cost price of the article? So loss is 35%. Cost price is 100%. Subtract 35%. Equal to 65% selling price. 35% loss means 65% selling price. 65% equal to 13,000. 13,000. Article was sold for 13,000. What is the cost price of the article? Cost price of the article is 100%. Equal to question mark. 65 is double 130. So 65 1 times 65, 2 times 130. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 1% equal to 200. 65% equal to 13,000. 65 1 times 65, 200 times 13,000. So 1% equal to 200. 100% equal to 200 into 100. 200 into 100, 20,000. 20,000. So 100% equal to 20,000. Option D. Loss is 35%. Subtract from cost price. So 65%. 65% selling price. 65% selling price equal to, we can write 13,000. So 100% equal to question mark. 1% equal to 200, 100% equal to 20,000. A man purchased 2 articles for 1,000 each. On selling the first 10% profit, on the other he loses 10% loss. What is profit or loss in the transaction? The cost price of 2 articles is same price. Cost price of 2 articles is same price. One is 10% profit. Profit is plus 10% and other is 10% loss. So minus 10% loss equal to plus 10% minus 10% 0. So overall transaction is no profit, no loss. Option D. Example. A man purchased 2 articles for 1,000 each. So first article is 1,000 and second article is 1,000. 1,000 plus 1,000. So total his cost price is 2,000. Total his cost price is 2,000. First, a man purchased first article is 10% profit plus 10% of cost price. Cost price is 1,000 equal to 1,000 plus 10% of 1,000. 1,000 plus 10% of 1,000 is 100 equal to 1,100. The selling price is 1,100. And next loss is 10% and other one is loss is 10%. So subtract 10% of 1,000. 1,000 equal to 1,000 minus loss is 10% of 1,000 is 100. 100 equal to 900. So 10% profit is 1,100 and 10% loss is 900. So his cost price is 2,000. His selling price is 1,100 plus 900, 2,000. 2,000. Cost price is 2,000 and selling price is 2,000. Cost price and selling price are both the cases are same. So overall transaction is no profit, no loss. No profit, no loss. Answer is no profit, no loss. Question number 4. A person sold 2 articles for 1,200 each. He made a profit of 20% and a loss of 20% on the other. What will be the overall profit or loss in percentage? So selling price of 2 articles is same price and profit is 20% and loss is 20%. So overall transaction is loss percent. So overall transaction is loss percent equal to common profit and common profit and loss percent whole square by 100. Common profit and loss percentage. Common is 20%. 20% profit, 20% loss. So 20 square by 100. 20 square by 100. 20 square 400 by 100. 400 by 100. 100 one time, 100 4 times equal to 4. Loss percent equal to 4. So answer is 4% loss. Answer is 4% loss. Option C. Previous question is cost price of 2 articles is same price. One is 10% profit and other is 10% loss. So overall transaction is no profit, no loss. And this question is selling price of 2 articles is same price. Selling price of 2 articles is same price. Overall transaction is loss percent. Loss percent equal to common profit and loss percent whole square by 100. Question number 5. If selling price is doubled, the profit triples. Find the profit percentage is. Profit equal to 3 times of profit. Profit equal to selling price minus cost price equal to profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price is doubled. This selling price is doubled. So 2 times selling price equal to profit is triples. So profit is triples. 3 times of profit. Profit equal to selling price minus cost price. And here is only selling price is doubled. 2 selling price minus cost price equal to 3 into selling price minus 3 into cost price. So this cost price is left side and selling price is right side. 3 cost price minus cost price equal to 3 selling price minus 2 selling price. So 3 cost price minus cost price equal to 3 selling price minus 2 selling price. Selling price is right side and cost price is left side. So 3 CP minus CP, 2 CP. 2 times of cost price equal to 3 selling price minus 2 times of selling price, 1 selling price. Selling price by cost price. Cost price is right side, denominator cost price equal to 2 by 1. Selling price equal to cost price equal to 1. Selling price is more than cost price is called profit. So profit percent equal to selling price minus cost price, 2 minus 1. 1 by cost price. Cost price is 1 into 100. Percent equal to 100%. Selling price is doubled, the profit is tripled. So profit percentage is 100%. Option A. Question number 6. Cost price of 30 articles is equal to the selling price of 25 articles. What is the profit percent in this transaction? Cost price of 30 articles is equal to the selling price of 25 articles. Cost price of 30 articles is equal to the selling price of 25 articles. What is the profit percent in this transaction? Price by selling price equal to left side and 30 is right side, we can write 30 is right side, we can write cost price by selling price equal to 25 by 30. 25 by 30. 5 times, 5 6 times equal to 5 by 6. Cost price is 5 and selling price is 6. Selling price is more than cost price. It is called profit. Profit percent equal to selling price minus cost price. 6 minus 5. Selling price minus cost price by cost price into 100. 1 by 5 into 100. So 5 1 time 5 20 times equal to 20%. 20% profit. Cost price of 30 articles is equal to the selling price of 25 articles is, the profit is 20% profit. Question number 7. The profit earned after selling an article for 625 is the same as the loss incurred after selling the article for 435. What is the cost price of the article? Profit is same as the loss. So profit equal to loss. Profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Loss equal to cost price minus selling price. Profit earned after selling an article. First selling price is 625. Cost price equal to cost price minus first selling price is 625 and after selling price is 435. So profit selling price is 625, loss selling price is 435. To cost price equal to 400 is left side, 625 plus 435, 1060. To 1 time, to 5 times, 3 times 0. So cost price equal to 530. So cost price equal to 530. Option A. The profit earned by selling a shirt for 1200 is twice the loss incurred when the shirt is sold for 600. What is the cost price of the shirt? Previous question is profit is same as the loss. And 8th question is profit is twice the loss. So profit equal to twice. Twice is 2 times of loss. Profit equal to selling price minus cost price. 2 times of loss equal to cost price minus selling price. Selling price minus cost price equal to 2 times of loss. Loss is cost price minus selling price. So first selling price is 1200 minus cost price equal to 2 times of cost price minus 2 times of selling price. So 1200 minus cost price. First selling price is 1200 and next selling price is 600. CP is right side, 3CP. 3CP equal to minus 2 into 600 minus 1200. 1200 plus 1200. 2400. 1200 plus 1200. 2400. 3 1 time, 3 8 times. 2 zeros. Cost price equal to 800. Cost price equal to 800. Profit is twice the loss. Profit is twice the loss. Selling price minus cost price equal to 2 times of cost price minus selling price. 3 1 time, 3 800 times. So cost price equal to 800. A sells a bicycle to B at a profit of 20% and B sells is to C at a profit of 25%. If C pays 225 for it, the cost price of the bicycle for A is. Let cost price of bicycle is X. 120% of A sells to B. 120% and B sells to C 25%. 100% plus 25%, 125%. 100 plus 20%, 120%. 100 plus 25%, 125%. 120% of 125% of X equal to amount is 225. 225. 120 by 100 into 125 by 100 into X equal to 225. 25 5 times, 25 4 times. 4 1 time, 4 30 times. 0 0. 5 into 3 15. 15 into X equal to 10. 10. 15 1 time. 15 1 time. 7 is carry. 15 5 times. So X equal to 15 into 10. 150. The cost price of bicycle for A is 150. Option D. Question number 10. The difference between cost price and selling price of an article is 240. If the profit is 20%, then the selling price is cost price and selling price. Cost price and selling price. Profit is 20%. 20% profit means 120%. 120% selling price. Cost price is 100%. 25 times 26 times. Percent cancel. So 5 is to 6. So cost price is 5 ratio and selling price is 6 ratio. The difference between cost price and selling price of an article is 240. So difference is 1 ratio. 1 ratio equal to 5 minus 6 is 1. 1 ratio equal to 240. The selling price is, find selling price is, selling price ratio is 6 ratio. So into 6. 6 ratio equal to, and right side also same, into 6. 240 into 6. 1440. 1440. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.